Hey guys, I know we missed Monday. No, everybody missed Monday. I know we missed Wednesday, and I wanted to get a chance to show you some stuff so we don't necessarily have to get too far behind when we finally get to meet each other on Monday. I'm in D2L, and we have two halves of the class. One half of the class is in Blumpville on the main campus, and the other class is downtown Kingsport at KC, and we'll be seeing each other over ITV. So both sections of the class should look exactly the same. I happen to be in the Blumpville one, but I'm already in the class in D2L, and here under the news section is my contact information. That's going to stay there all semester long. As I put up new reminders and stuff, it'll get pushed to the bottom, but you don't have to like worry about where it's at, um, like which document it's in, because it'll stay right here. Um, Otherwise, everything else we need is going to be under the content. Now, this news feature, every single week, I will update it with what you need to bring to class, what your deadlines are, and just reminders. I know we didn't have class on Wednesday, but after I finish this recording, at some point tomorrow, I'm going to put up here in the news what I said in here that you need to have with you on Monday. So if we go into the course content, we're going to talk about a lot of this in class again, but just so you're ready for class, I did want to talk about the syllabus, just about the part about what do I need to buy, because I've had a lot of questions about that, and I know y'all are sitting on the edge of your seat. All you need for this class is a calculator. Now it needs to be a TI 83 or 84 because we're going to use the special functions on that calculator that may or may not be on another brand or another number. So that calculator's $100-ish. That's a lot of money for a calculator for one semester. So if you don't want to make that investment, you can rent one from Northeast State for $25. And they have them available at KC also. If you want to rent a calculator, it's a $25 rental for the entire semester. So what happens is this. You go to the business office and you tell them you want to rent a calculator and you give them your $25 rental fee. They don't have the calculators in the business office. What they have are receipts, and they'll give you a receipt. Now here's the thing. You take that receipt to the library and they will check out a calculator to you. So you go to the same place that you would normally go to check out a book, and they'll check out a calculator, only the due date is the week of final exams. So you turn that sucker back in right after you've taken your exam and you're good to go. If you're downtown at KC, if you go over to Blazer Wilson Hall, formerly known as RCAP, they should have someone there who can take money. Not everybody can take money. So you'll go down there and pay your $25 fee. Then you'll take your receipt up to the third floor of the KC building to the library. And generally speaking, they have calculators there that you can rent. The worst thing that happens is they have to send one over from main campus. Otherwise, you don't have a book. Everything you need is going to be here on D2L. There's no code to buy. There's no My Math Lab. No. Everything you need is here in D2L. Now, we'll go over this in more detail when we actually meet on Monday. we'll go through all this stuff with the policies and all. The only thing that you might want to do is you can sign up for Remind. Remind is an app where we can text each other. And again, I'll be talking about that on Monday. The other thing, though, that I want you to do before class is right here. If we go under Unit 1, Section 1.0, there's a document that says Review. If I click on that, it opens up. I need you to print this off. Now, when you open it right here, you don't want to print it here. Don't print here. Scroll down. Where it says Download, download it first. And after it's downloaded, open it from over here. Now print it. Because if you try to print it from the other page, it's going to have that frame around it. It's probably going to cut off the bottom few problems because it only prints what's showing on the screen. So print this and have it with you on Monday. So I'm going to put your list of things to do under the news section so that you remember, but I wanted you to see where the stuff was. Now, the last thing that you need, because this class is not in a computer room, it's a TV class, you do need to have some sort of mobile device. We're going to be using Nearpod, and it's not a big deal on Monday because I don't even know for sure if you're going to watch this video in time to know by Monday. But Monday we'll use Nearpod for the first time, and it's a way that, since we've got people in the same room with me and people on a different campus, everybody can participate and I can see everybody's responses without people having to talk out loud. God, people hate to talk on the TV classes. But hopefully it'll make you feel a little bit more part of the class, even if we're not in the same room. So that's enough for now. That'll get us through the weekend. Try to have a calculator, a device, and these notes, all those things with you on Monday morning, and it'll make things go a lot easier. Thanks.